I'm Shivani Mohan, and from today, I'm going to be sharing some of my simple moments, day to day moments with you. I have been creating a lot of content regarding food and cooking and all, but taking it further, making it more personalized. So, what do women like? Of course, shopping. So I've had a good day shopping. That's why I'm excited to share my haul with you. It's the IKEA haul. As you know, I live in Hyderabad, and one of the best places to do shopping for the home is at IKEA. We're lucky that we have IKEA in our own city. Although I know people who specially travel to this city to buy stuff for the home. In the lockdown, mostly I have been buying things online, and after a long time we went for shopping. काफ़ी दिनों के बाद काफ़ी शॉपिंग हो गई है. प्लान तो नहीं था. Basically, we wanted to buy doher, which is a sheet you take on top because Hyderabad is very warm throughout the year. तो वो तो हमें इतना अच्छा नहीं मिला आज, लेकिन और बहुत कुछ लेके आ गए हैं. सो दैट इज़ द नॉर्मल थिंग. थोड़ी सी डांट भी पड़ गई कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा बिल हो गया हमारा, बट just want to share with you. I think they're all good things and will be useful in the house. So let me start with this lovely. So there's a sale going on there, and many things are on discount. So this is a lovely rug that we picked up. 2 of these, which is good for the bedroom or wherever you want to use it. Then we picked a lot of nice glasses. So हुआ क्या था कि लॉकडाउन में हमारे सारे ग्लासेस टूट गए थे, एक के बाद एक करके. कई बार ऐसा होता है ना कि सारे टूट जाते हैं, तो दो या 3 बच गए थे. और हालत ये हो गई थी कि अभी हम कप में भी पानी पीने लग गए थे, मतलब पानी के ग्लास. अदरवाइज वी हैव वेरी गुड कलेक्शन फॉर वाइन एंड ऑल दैट बियर, but we wanted regular day-to-day glasses, so the moment we found good ones we jumped on them. So these are very nice. I wanted to bring in some color, so this time we have gone for these. And then this is one glass that I particularly liked. It's a very big one, but then we also drink a lot of water. हम सारे बहुत ज़्यादा पानी पीते हैं. So we thought it's good to have it on your desk. Instead of drinking from a bottle, you can have one big glass on your desk and keep drinking. Then you must be knowing IKEA में जब बाहर आते हैं तो एक discount section भी होता है. Sometimes you get very good deals there. So these were another set of glasses which were there at a very good bargain. So these 3 glasses are for $249. Original price is $649. So ग्लास तो घर में टूटते ही रहते हैं रोज. Then this was another one which we got in the discount. It's a nice grayish color and it's 109 rupees. So another interesting variation. So these were the glasses. Then we wanted some regular water bottles for the fridge. So I like these, which has a sealing cork. I mean, it's made of plastic, but okay. Then what else? This has the same second set of things. I picked up a few bed sheets. I've liked their bed sheets in the past. काफ़ी अच्छा फैब्रिक होता है IKEA bed sheets का. तो ये डिज़ाइन मेरी डॉटर को पसंद आया, ये उसके रूम के लिए है. थोड़ा कलरफुल एंड गर्ली color she wanted. So there are some extra. I bought extra pillow covers to go with it. Sometimes you can change or coordinate it well. That looks nice. And also I picked up face towel in the same color she wants to use. That is one. Then some boxes. फ्रिज में जो बचा हुआ खाना होता है उसको रखने के लिए जो boxes ख़त्म ही रहते हैं, जब भी देखो डब्बा नहीं मिलता. तो ये काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. 139 के 3 का सेट है. ये मैं कई बार लाती हूँ और ऐसे कई सेट्स में ला चुकी हूँ और गुम भी कर चुकी हूँ. So I picked up this first, then I saw at the end, where you have the billing, वहाँ एक और बड़ी बड़ी baskets पड़ी हैं where you can pick up stuff which are good deals. So this was there, then I picked up this also. This is a set of 17 boxes in different sizes and it was for $3.99. Again, I think great deal, and you need all kinds of sizes in a normal home. Then one thing I can't resist is their flowers. Every time I do end up buying their artificial flowers. The thing is, I love flowers. और COVID से पहले I used to try and have fresh flowers in the home, but now I avoid getting flowers that often. So I picked up these. Again, orange is one of my favorite colors. So I thought I can coordinate these. It's a similar flower. These are long stems. So these are for I think $129 per stem. It was also on discount. And this whole basket was somewhere around 500. I mean, it's a separate thing, but together they looked very nice. So it can come in any corner of the house. Then I bought a very interesting thing. This is a small mirror that I've picked up. Okay. The reason being that जो मेरा ड्रेसिंग टेबल है ना वो बहुत थोड़ी डार्क जगह पे है, वहाँ पे नेचुरल लाइट नहीं आती. I mean, it's like a walk-in closet. As you can see, that side of the room. That is where my dressing table is. But often makeup के लिए ना I like a little natural light. So I thought I'll keep it at my desk, and when I want to do makeup videos, it'll be useful. So it's a nice neat one that you can keep anywhere. This is another bedsheet. एक और bedsheet, इसका भी print मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. ये देखो, इस तरह जब दिखा देते हैं ना तो you can visualize कि कैसा रहेगा आपके रूम में. तो ये भी काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. तो ये दो bedsheets थी printed, और एक मैंने फिर plain भी ले ली क्योंकि ये बड़ा soothing सा कलर है. It's like a peachish pink. It'll go with these pillow covers also. Then I picked up this very cute colander. मतलब मेरे पास steel colander तो है, but since I'm making a lot of content related to food, so some pretty things are nice in the video. So I really like it. It's got a very elegant look. जब आप सब्जियां बॉईल करते हैं तो इसमें आप डाल के उनको पानी निकाल सकते हैं. ये एक और पिलो कवर है ग्रे कलर का. अगेन ग्रे इज वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट इन बेड शीट्स. सो जस्ट द पिलो कवर. आई हैव अ ग्रे बेड शीट, सो दिस विल गो विद दैट, एंड दिस इज लाइक एन ऑफ वाइट वन which will go with everything. Then I've got this lovely net curtains. तो अभी काफ़ी देर से ना मैंने घर में नेट कर्टन्स का सिस्टम बंद किया हुआ है क्योंकि ऐसी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. बट पर्टिकुलरली माई रूम इट ओवरलुक्स द सोसाइटी. तो कई बार होता है ना कि आप अगर अपना पर्दा खोलो तो लगता है सब दिख रहा है अंदर, और अगर आप बंद रखो तो वैसे थोड़ा डार्क रहता है. बिकॉज आई गॉट दीज नेवी ब्लू कर्टन्स एट माई रूम. सो आई थॉट आई पुट फ्यू ऑफ दीज इनसाइड. Especially when I'm working out in my room, then I don't want it to be visible from outside. Then ये देखिए, I came with the range of things. We picked up this toolbox. I mean, my husband picked it up actually, because again, this is something you need always. And this is a classic IKEA thing of popsicles. It's good for small kids, but then my daughter is also, quite fond of ice creams, and she's in grade 12 now. और मेरे दिल में ना घबराहट सी होने लग गई है कि नेक्स्ट ईयर वो कॉलेज चली जाएगी तो पता नहीं बहुत मुश्किल होगा उसके बिना. तो I want to pamper her the maximum this year. This is another dabba. I love dabbas, my god. Some glass dabbas also. these are slightly better quality because I feel everything you can't put in a microwave. So अपने घर में ना हर चीज़ मैं माइक्रोवेव में नहीं डालना पसंद करती. जहाँ तक हो सके ग्लास और ceramic is always better, but of course every time you can't have. So I picked up these very nice glass containers, two of them, which can be sealed very well, and they are microwave safe. They are good for the fridge also, and they are like, मैं आपको बताऊँ normally क्या होता है कि फ्रिज में जब हम चीज़ें रखते हैं we go for round डब्बास, but round ones take more space. I mean, the wastage of space is more. So when you have square ones, they just fit in better, and you'll have more stuff in, but it'll look more spacious. So that is one trick you must follow. Always go for square boxes, storage boxes. Okay, then yeah, this was a wish. काफ़ी देर से मैं ये लेना चाहती थी, तो आज इसका भी नंबर आ गया. Let me show you. डांट भी पड़ गई थोड़ी. प्लान तो नहीं था. Let me show you. So this is my watering can for my plants because I'm working a lot on my balcony garden. So yeah, that's about it. These are again 2 more dabbas. So I think for the next 1 year I don't need to buy any more dabbas. In सबका bill, I think it's quite a good stuff we paid. In सबको मिला के the bill was around 12,000, and pretty neat stuff. I'm so excited to use them. So होता क्या है कि रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में ना मतलब you don't need many things. Everything is there in the house, but when you buy new things, there is a renewed interest in every corner of the house. You want to set it up. So for me, that is important. That is more important than just shopping. You know, when you see new things, new art, new colors, flowers in the house, it is fun to set it up so that boredom goes away. एक तो वैसे ही पिछले 1 साल से घर में तो कैद हैं सारे, तो घर भी अगर अच्छा ना लगे तो फिर कहाँ जाएंगे. तो घर को सजाने का तो मुझे बहुत शौक है. आई एम श्योर मोस्ट वुमेन लव दैट. सो आई लव टू कीप रेनोवेटिंग इट, अपग्रेडिंग स्टफ फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम. अदरवाइज घर काफ़ी आउटडेटेड लगने लग जाते हैं. सो वन मस्ट कीप ऑन डूइंग दैट इवन एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ गेटिंग स्कोल्डेड at times. So that's all for today. As you know, today Neeraj Chopra has won the gold and lot of coverage is coming on TV. बहुत ही proud moment है इंडिया के लिए. So I have to go and catch up on the news, on all the news coming from Tokyo. I'll keep on sharing these little videos from my life with you. I would love you to comment and tell me that which language would you like to hear in. मैं हिंदी में ज़्यादा बोलूँ या इंग्लिश में ज़्यादा बोलूँ. अभी तो मैं मल्टीलिंगुअल ही चल रही हूँ. दोनों भाषाएं मैं काफ़ी आसानी से बोलती हूँ और दोनों ही मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं, तो मिक्स करूँगी. लेकिन अगर कोई चाहता है कि सिर्फ हिंदी में वीडियो मैं बनाऊँ तो आप मुझे ज़रूर बताइए कमेंट करके. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब my channel and press the bell icon so that you know every time I upload something new. Bye bye, until next time.